So hey guys, we have just finished with breakfast. You know, because here it's really cold, you have to first take something inside and then go to the garden. So right now Ash is going to take me around the garden and we'll be harvesting maize. In Uganda, maize is not yet ready. It's not yet ready to be harvested fully. So that's what we are going to do, and I want to see the Kenyan way. And guys, I would love you to see that way, and you comment down below if we have the same, if you have the same ways as Kenyan is. For us, not really, because it's a little bit different. And so the garden is here, and let me turn the camera and show you around. By the way, don't forget to go and subscribe at V Hezron channel. I have been here. I'm still here. And thank you so much for watching. For those who have been wishing me goodwill, thank you so much. And I'm happy. And I'm enjoying the village life. Let us go to the garden. Okay,
now
then
we do the same thing.
like that.
So now, these are sukuma wiki.
So guys, the sukuma wiki.
And this one, this is what we ate.
Nakati. So guys, I just want to know what is nakati in English, if you know them.
But now it's getting old, that's why it has this seeds.
The seeds. Okay, I never seen their seeds.
These are the seeds.
Did you have dried seeds of this one?
No, we don't. But we can buy them for you because they're cheap.
Yes.
And then this is the one you were telling me
them,
about.
the dodo.
Yes.
Okay. So it's here.
So we give these ones for our chicken.
Okay. So again, these sacks are also skuma
because it gets really hot here. So when it's in the sacks, we put water that it can stay a little bit longer.
Okay, that is really thoughtful of you.
Because now we don't sprinkle water a lot.
True. So, you also have the avocado.
We have avocado.
It's growing up.
Yes. Yes, you know.
So guys, these are the pumpkins. I'm going to plant these ones in my garden.
Actually, they are ready. Make them for tomorrow breakfast.
Okay. Tomorrow breakfast. I really miss them.
Pumpkins. And these are do you guys eat these ones?
The leaves? Yes. So by the way guys, comment down below if you eat pumpkin leaves like us here. Drop a comment. You have I wish we had the knife. So we cut these these dried banana leaves. So you had wanted me
to make us drinking water.
To burn the pot. I want to show you how we do it. True, you have everything. Yes. And these are the bananas that we eat. This one.
They're not the sweet banana?
No. I think the other is the sweet banana. This one. This one, maybe.
This is it. And then from there, that is
manure.
From the cows.
So guys, they also have, they have the manure here. Like their garden is really fertile. See. Wow. So from here you just spread it throughout the garden.
From here we put
for
how you guys call this
home garden.
It's home garden. So here, you know them. Do you know them?
Aikuvi. What? We call them aikuvi. I don't know them in English. So guys, these one you remove these leaves. Yes. Okay.
We have them, but we don't eat them.
Why?
For us, we give them to people. We sell them sometimes. We don't. There's a tribe here that loves to eat them.
Okay. I get it. bad.
And now these ones,
Which one?
these ones here. This one, they used to make mokimo. Mokimo is a Ugandan, it's a Kikuyu delicacy.
So what is it?
I don't know its name in English. Yeah, but it's used. You take these leaves here, and then you mix with you cut them. You wash them, then you cut kidogo, little.
Yeah.
Then you mix with maize. Not the hard maize, the soft one. The soft maize and Irish potatoes. Then you cook them.
Okay,
so that
it
they
comes
can
out.
green.
It comes out like ugali.
Like ugali,
Okay,
but green in color.
Yes,
So this
okay.
is what we use. It's for Kikuyus, the tribe that is called Kikuyus.
Okay. Wow, we don't have that in Uganda.
You don't?
I have never seen it, but maybe it's there, but I have never seen it. Yeah. So guys, we are moving around the garden. I'm getting to know different types of crops, of vegetables that they have in the garden. And it's really amazing. Most of them, they are similar, though they cook it differently. Yeah. Let us go to the big garden now.
Here is napier grass. You can see it.
Napier, is it napier or elephant grass?
I don't know the name. Elephant. It's for the cows.
Yeah, I think we call them, they are like sugar cane. Maybe it's different. I don't know, guys. Comment down below. What are these? Yeah.
We put it at the post.
To tie.
We tie at the post.
Okay. Oh, that's good. So we are staying home alone.
Yeah, we are alone.
Yeah. So guys, this is the maize garden, the maize farm, and we have cows there. We were saying this is elephant grass. So guys, I want to show you so that you can tell us
the name.
Yeah, this one.
We call it napier grass.
And again that side, but
Are there types for this grass?
I don't know.
So this one,
Yeah.
we harvested the maize.
Okay.
When we harvest, you see this one, the small one remaining there.
Yeah.
These are sticks here.
Yes.
We take them and we make food for the cows.
Oh,
Yes, we crush them.
this one. This one.
The
Wow.
machine that is coming, we collect them, all of them, then we crush them.
Okay. Wow, that's so creative. I never knew that. So guys, bino ebikolo bya duma bino ebisigala mu bino. They smash it and then give to the cows to eat. This is amazing. And the goat is here. Yeah.
Now we put the goat and the sheep. The others are covered there.
Okay.
This one here. We dress from here.
From here. So guys, this is how so far we have gone. They have a big land from there, and we are still moving, still going ahead, which is really good.
That way we can enter inside there without you getting a lot of people.
Okay, even no here, I think here. We don't have these flowers home.
You don't have?
Yeah, these ones. I've never seen them.
Those are leaves.
Oh. These are the beans.
These are the beans.
Okay. Oh, why do you put them in kavera like this?
There are birds, a lot of birds. Birds come eat them, so we put them in kavera.
Okay, so guys, I want to show you what I'm saying. So when birds come, they tap here and they will not find any seed.
Find the
Yeah.
grains.
Okay.
That's why it's like that.
Okay. So guys, this is sorghum. Yes.
We plant a lot because my dad, we are SDA, 7th day we don't take tea leaves.
Tea leaves, yeah.
So like my dad, he takes these ones.
Okay. Yeah. Us too, we don't take tea leaves. Yeah, so we sometimes use soya. We smash the soya and the soya beans, and then we use that as tea leaves. Yes. Oh, we just take porridge. Okay. The beans leaves?
Yes, we do.
Oh, like
how you do skuma wiki.
Ah,
we eat
okay.
those too. Yes.
Okay. For us, we don't. You see? You're just wasting the vegetables. Yeah.
So, this is how it is up to that end.
Ah,
But,
yeah.
And we also have that native grass. We call it what? The elephant grass.
Let me see. This one is ready. So guys, this one is ready. And this one, not yet. Yeah, so this is the difference. So now we are good to go. I can see in front and then my face. Yeah. Yeah, there's no mess here. Okay.
And then, not everyone plants the things that you've done. Others, they just leave their garden like this so the cows can just come in, eat.
Ah, okay. Like that.
And now here,
Okay. For the cows. So guys, this is what I wanted to know. Are these called elephant grass or napier grass? These ones. Please help me, because I don't know. I think it's the same but maybe different name. But I think those two words are English words. Not so?
I think so.
So now we don't know. Anyways, that's how it is looking. This is the garden. Everything is really... The home is there. Far. You guys, you have a lot. You have a big land, which is really nice. You can do anything. You can have as many. So you don't grow sweet potatoes?
No.
And cassava?
No, we don't.
Why? Is it because the soil is not good, or because...
No, I think because these people, they don't eat cassava.
Ah.
Yeah, they don't. You see, like for us, we eat cassava. Only the dried ones we mix with the finger millet.
Okay.
Only like us, not everyone.
Oh, not everyone. Okay.
People don't eat cassava.
Understand. Yeah, so this is the garden. What is this one? I saw something there. Ah, it's like saiso. Do you know saiso?
Oh, yeah, I know saiso.
Yeah.
But that's not saiso.
Oh, this one. No, it is. See, it has these shocks. I think it is. So guys, we are finishing up with checking around the farm, the different things that they have. I have seen they do not grow cassava, sweet potato, but they have maize, and they don't have the coffee. Do you grow cotton?
Cotton? No.
So they don't have the cotton. And I saw some sugar cane, but on a very small scale. So for us, we also grow sugar cane and what? So do you grow tomatoes?
Yeah, there are people who grow tomatoes.
Okay.
In greenhouse.
What is that?
Greenhouse. Greenhouse is this house that people build. Sun doesn't get in. It's covered everywhere.
It's for only growing food, eh?
Yeah, you can grow vegetables. Those.
Wow.
Yeah, those ones.
Do you know anywhere where I
The greenhouse is.
Yeah.
It's quite far.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like you see, you can tell the difference between the tomatoes that have grown outside here and in the greenhouse. The greenhouse are very shiny. They are big. They look yummy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, I would love to go
To see a greenhouse.
Yeah.
I think when we go to Nairobi, I will see if I can see something.
Okay. I would love to see that. Because you know what, guys? I'm here to see new things, to learn new things, and to compare, to see, not in a bad way, but just to learn something so that when I go back home, at least I have some idea of how other country works. And yeah. Anyways, we are soon reaching home, just there. Wow, you have a big land and it's fertile. I love the fact that, and you told me you grow once, like you have one season.
One season. Like
How?
Now they start plowing in January, mid-January.
Yeah.
Then they plow again end of January.
Yeah.
Then by February it will rain. Then they start planting in February.
And it will stay there from February.
November.
Why? It grows slowly.
That's how it is. I've never seen the ones that grow 3 years.
So the gate is here. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is new, because for us we have 2 seasons. We start planting in January, then January until June, then we harvest. By July we are harvesting, and then we start plowing, and by August we are replanting, and December, and by the end of December we'll be harvesting. So those are 2 times. So I'm wondering, how can you maize?
Because of the seasons, your season is favorable for you guys to do it twice.
Maybe, but your maize can grow for all that long, 1 year.
Yeah, 1 year.
When it's there.
Yeah, it's always there.
Can you imagine? Comment down
here
below.
In Kenya, we have places where they grow like you.
Okay.
But here in Trans Nzoia, this region, just once.
So guys, comment down below. Do you have one season in your country? Can this even happen? Because maize from January to December. Anyway, yeah. So right now we are going to harvest that maize.
Yeah.
That's what we are going to do. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, for loving us, and always coming back to watch our videos. Kenya is a beautiful country, and I'm grateful that I came. And I'm having a beautiful house. My mom is really nice. Dad is welcoming. My sister, she's amazing. The cows, the cats, the gardens, everyone is like, Sarah, you're welcome. Sarah, you're welcome. Sarah, you're welcome. So yeah, let us go and harvest that maize, and we'll call it a day.